Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we will take you on a journey to create the perfect marinara sauce from scratch. So, grab your apron and let's get started. First, gather the freshest ingredients. Tomatoes, garlic, onions, olive oil, and herbs will be the stars of this flavorful sauce. Begin by simmering the chopped onions in olive oil until they become nice and translucent. This will infuse our sauce with a sweet and savory base. Next, add minced garlic and let it sizzle for a moment, releasing its aromatic essence. Now, it's time to introduce the main event, the tomatoes. If you have fresh, juicy tomatoes, peel and dice them. However, canned tomatoes work just as well. They are already blanched and peeled, saving you some time. Pour the tomatoes into the pot, followed by a sprinkling of salt, black pepper, and herbs like basil, oregano, and thyme. Gently mix everything together, making sure the flavors meld together harmoniously. Allow the sauce to simmer on low heat for at least 30 minutes. This will allow the flavors to intensify, creating a rich and delectable marinara sauce. To give your marinara an extra kick, you can add a pinch of red pepper flakes or a splash of red wine. These secret ingredients will take your sauce to another level. Now, it's time to taste and adjust the seasoning according to your preference. Once you achieve the perfect balance of flavors, give the sauce a final stir, and you're ready to serve. Drizzle it over pasta, use it as a pizza sauce, or as a dipping sauce for your favorite appetizers. The possibilities are endless. So there you have it, your own homemade marinara sauce made from scratch. Say goodbye to store-bought jars and indulge in the freshness and authenticity of a homemade sauce. Thanks for joining us in the kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!